Is drug money fueling social media propaganda across the country over the Tira Valley situation? A troubling question now looms over the intense online debate and political blame game surrounding the Tira Valley. Are powerful, hidden financial interests manipulating the narrative? Recent investigations point to a deep rooted nexus in the region between large scale drug smuggling militant groups and political protection, a nexus that may be funding disinformation campaigns to serve its own survival. Sources reveal that drug cultivation spans approximately 12,000 acres in the Khyber and Tira areas, generating massive illicit revenue. A significant portion of these profit is reportedly funneled to militant groups locally referred to as Khawarij, who use the funds to secure their operations and fuel terrorism. So, this creates a vicious cycle. The political terror crime nexus uses drug money to sustain violence and potentially spends more to shape public perception and political will. So, the current social media storm over the Tira evacuation and may not be purely organic. This drug finance network has a strong incentive to oppose any operation that threatens its lucrative territory. So, by funding and amplifying propaganda, spreading disinformation on social media, maligning state institutions, and inflaming political tension, these actors aim to create public confusion and political paralysis, thereby protecting their criminal enterprise. The human cost of this nexus is stark, with nearly 200 casualties in Khyber district last year alone. As the nation debates the Tira situation online, it is critical to question the source of the most sensational and divisive narrative. The conflict is not just on the ground, it is also playing out in the information space, where drug profits may be quietly funding a war of perception to keep the valley under the shadow of illicit power.
SEO shaping a brighter digital future for Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. By advancing toward 5G connectivity, SEO is helping communities move faster, smarter, and stronger. In the past, 4G arrived late in AJK and GB compared to the rest of Pakistan. But today, SEO is changing the digital story of the region. Very soon, 5G services are being introduced in 5 key cities: Gilgit, Skardu, Hunza, Muzaffarabad, and Mirpur. This historic step is happening earlier than many other parts of Pakistan. With ultra-fast internet, students will learn better, hospitals will work smarter, and business will grow faster. Institutions will become more efficient, and new digital opportunities will reach every home. SEO is not just launching 5G. SEO is connecting people to progress, innovation, and a smarter tomorrow.